Seller Trends AI product research tool is a game changer for anyone looking to find winning dropshipping products quickly. Once you log into your Seller Trend account, head over to the AI research section. Here, the AI analyzes tons of data from multiple sources like social media trends, sales numbers, and competitor stores to suggest products that are gaining popularity right now. You can filter these AI generated product ideas by niche, price, shipping, location, and more, helping you find the perfect product that fits your store and targeted audience. When you find a product you like, you can dive deeper into detailed analytics, including trending scores, past sales performance, and even ad creatives used by other sellers. From there, adding the product to your import list is just a click away. You can then customize the product description, pricing, and images before pushing it straight to your Shopify store. The AI research tools saves you hours of manual research by pointing you towards products that have a higher chance of success. If you want to stay ahead in dropshipping, using Seller Trends AI product research can give you that edge by cutting down guesswork and speeding up your product discovery process. If you found this demo helpful and useful, please like, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and leave a comment for me to show you how to use other features in Seller Trend.